I was at the home center store recently and I noticed that they sell 15-inch long sections of plastic downspout. These are used to extend the longer downspouts to carry the water away from your house. I was looking at it and I thought this would be able to solve a problem I have in the workshop, and that is how to neatly store all the wooden dowels, small sections of wood molding, small diameter pipes that I have in the shop. I don't want to just lay them on the floor because I'll trip over them and it'll be hard to find. So I thought I'd take this and screw it to the wall and use it to store the dowels. First thing I did is drill the 1/2-inch diameter hole near the bottom. That's just to allow access for my screw driving bit. Then I'm going to mount it to the wall right here on the front of this wall stud, about 18 inches up off the floor. That's a perfect height for most moldings and wooden dowel rods. Put one screw in the bottom. These are just 1-inch drywall screws. At the top I don't need a hole. I'm just going to drive it in at an angle through the top edge. Right into the stud. There, perfect. Now, you can see I can take the small diameter pipes, wooden molding, stand them right up there. They're neatly organized. You can see them, so you can tell what you have. And if you need one to take to a project, just pull it out and off you go.